Welcome to ELECTROONEXT YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about IRF3205 MOSFET complete details, working principle, advantages, with best 5 equivalent MOSFETs. The IRF3205 is a high-power and channel enhancement mode MOSFET widely used in inverter circuits, motor drivers, battery chargers, SMPS, DC-DC converters, and high-current switching applications. Basic specifications. Type and channel MOSFET. Drain source voltage, 55 volts. Continuous drain current, 110 amperes. Gate threshold voltage, 2 volts, 4 volts. RDS on very low 8 milliohms. Power dissipation, 200 watts. Package, 2220. Switching speed, high. Working principle of IRF3205 MOSFET. The IRF3205 works like an electronic switch controlled by voltage. MOSFET terminals. The MOSFET has 3 pins. Pin number 1, gate control terminal. Pin number 2, drain input current path. Pin number 3, source output current path. Off condition. When no voltage is applied to the gate, the MOSFET remains off. No current flows between drain and source. It behaves like an open switch. Example, gate voltage is 0 volt. Result, MOSFET is off. On condition. When positive voltage is applied to the gate, an electric field forms inside MOSFET. A conductive channel is created. Current starts flowing from drain to source. Example, gate voltage is 10 volts to 12 volts. Result, MOSFET is fully on. High-speed switching. IRF3205 can switch on and off very fast. This makes it ideal for PWM circuits, inverters, motor speed controllers, SMPS power supplies, solar charge controllers. Advantages of IRF3205 MOSFET. 1. Very high current capacity. Can handle up to 110 amperes current. 2. Low heat generation. Low RDS, on, reduces power loss and heating. 3. Fast switching speed. Excellent for high-frequency applications. 4. Easy gate control. Requires very small gate current. 5. High efficiency. Used in efficient power electronics designs. 6. Widely available. Cheap and easy to find in markets. 7. Suitable for PWM. Works perfectly in PWM switching circuits. Applications of IRF3205. DC motor controller, inverter circuits, battery charger, solar systems, SMPS, high-power LED driver, audio amplifiers, UPS systems, spot welder circuits. Best 5 equivalent MOSFETs for IRF3205. IRF1405, 55 volts, 169 amperes, better current handling. IRLZ44N, 55 volts, 47 amperes, logic level gate drive. IRFZ44N, 55 volts, 49 amperes, popular replacement. IRFP260N, 200 volts, 50 amperes, higher voltage applications. STP75NF75, 75 volts, 80 amperes, strong switching performance. Use a proper heatsink for high current operation. Gate resistor, 100 ohms to 220 ohms, is recommended. Avoid static electricity while handling MOSFETs. For Arduino or 5 volts, logic systems, logic level MOSFETs like IRLZ44N work better. Comment below the video and let us know which component details you want to see in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, as a support to grow my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment to my video, and you can also get every upcoming update about my new video on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to like those. Thanks for watching.